On back to TK's Garage, and today I got another bonus video for you guys today. That's right, shout out to my Mustang fans. You guys are gonna rejoice on this one, and then people that love Saleens are gonna say I'm being disrespectful for calling this a Mustang. Well, shit, it's a Mustang, man. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Saleen. Not just a Mustang, it's a Saleen with 75,000 miles on it. It's a 2007 Saleen with 75,000 miles on it. It has absolutely zero, count it with me, zero damage. It is a genuine, absolutely genuine Saleen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. And what we're going to do now is, I want to see if she fires up, if there's keys. I want to see what she sounds like. And we want to look under the hood. Ooh, and she's a manual. And they took the keys. Damn it. You can see the speedometer goes to 200. That means this car is not stupid. Now, what's interesting to me is, why did the Saleen only have a 5-speed manual? The fact that it doesn't have a 6-speed is a little suspect to me. Saleen on the seats. Look at those headrests, man. That's gangster right there, boy. Woo! Saleen and the steering wheel. Saleen everywhere. You don't see, this thing doesn't say Mustang anywhere. This thing just says Saleen. Now let's pop the hood and see what she's working with under that dress. Why I gotta say it like that, right? Let me see what she's working with under that dress, damn it. I'm done messing with y'all, man. Yeah, let me find out. Hold on, man. Does it lift from back here? No. So I got the hood up. Is it a double pull hood? Watch it be a double pull hood, man. Got the Saleen rims and everything. Okay. Oh, you got to be smarter than the latch, TK. Woo. Put this up. Got the hood joint in there. And now we're looking at this motor. It says, stop, don't discard. This vehicle is equipped with a non-disposable air filter. Saleen right there. Saleen right there. Yeah. I don't know if this is a 4.6 or a 5.0 though. It says 206 there. That doesn't mean anything to me. I'm not a Mustang guy. Huh. Good battery. This thing is a beautiful car, man. Beautiful ass car. That V8 is pretty, man. Well, let me know what you guys think about this Saleen. I was going to say Mustang Saleen, but let me know what you guys think about this Saleen in the comment section down below. Here we go. Vehicle emissions information. 2007. Supercharger optional. I wonder if it has doesn't have a blower, right? No. Well, put this down back where it goes, like so. let me know what you guys think about this. This is a rare thing, man. You don't see vehicles like this out here in this condition on a regular basis. And it's, you know, it's not a flood car or nothing. It's literally here because someone wanted to run it through Copart. It's got the Brembo brakes, the drilled and slotted brakes. Drilled and slotted brakes, actual Brembos, actual Saleen rims. This is a very nice Saleen, man. It really is. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. I think it's straight fire. That's just me, man. I really like it. You know, it's different. And I'm not a Mustang guy, man. I'm not. I mean, I've had them. You know, for those that think I'm just a Mustang hater, I've owned them recently. I had a 17 performance package and an 18 GT350. So before you come to me and be like, man, don't knock it till you try it, I tried both of them. All right. I went to the pinnacle of what you could get at the time. So it's not bad, man. It's a decent car. It looks nice. And I think it would be a decent collector's. Someone could buy it and put it away. I think it would gain some money in the future. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this bonus video today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below on that Saleen. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. If you're a Mustang guy, we have a dedicated video of nothing but Mustangs here on the channel. You can go back a few videos and find it. Go check that out. If you like Dodges and Mopars, we got several of those here on the channel, dedicated all Mopar videos. And then we have our regular Copart walk around and live auctions as well. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it, because I think if you watch this video and you liked it, you'll enjoy the other content. Anyways, guys, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. This was just one of our bonus videos, which more than likely means if I publish this, there's probably another video coming today as well. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Peace.